Hi guys, this is Dr. Sunish Sharma. Today's topic about post tonsillectomy advice. First advice will be about fever. Within the first 24 to 48 hours, fever is not uncommon post tonsillectomy. The reason for this is still poorly understood. However, theories may be transient bacteremia, anesthetic agents, and inflammatory response to tissue injury. Second advice will be about pain. You have to tell patient there will be moderate to severe pain is expected post tonsillectomy, mostly depending upon the technique. Most severe pain occur after diathermy use, so less pain will be by coagulation, and its most common presentation is fever. Pain may come with otalgia. There will be ear pain, unilateral or bilateral, depending upon the presentation, and that pain may persist up to 6 to 7 days. You have to give analgesia or pain medication for at least 6 to 7 days. Third advice and most important advice about oral intake. Only 55% of children will eat normally by the end of the first week after tonsillectomy. What we are using at our clinic, Authentic ENT Center, after 6 hours we are giving water and cold diet like ice cream or cold fruit diet, or on day second we are giving soft diet and honey. Citrus fruits should be avoided like lemon and oranges. Betadine gargles after every food intake or 3 times a day is recommended. Normal diet we are recommending after 3rd day onward. Fourth advice about appearance of tonsillar fossa. Patients and relatives are mainly concerned about post-operative appearance of the fossae, as the white yellow slough is often confused for pus. This appearance is due to inflammatory exudate in a fibrin clot developing over the tonsillar fossa. Third and most important advice is physical activity. After surgery, children should rest at least for 1 or 2 days, and they may return to school within a week depending on the severity of the pain, throat pain. So this is all about post tonsillectomy advice. So you have to follow this. This is mostly what we are following at Authentic ENT Center. Thank you so much.